I already told you that I've added exfoliation gloves to my skincare products. Girl, guess how they look like. It is very, very textured, and now I use it to exfoliate my skin. I don't use my fingers again. There's nothing wrong with using your hands or your fingers to exfoliate your body, but this is just an addition that I personally prefer to be using because it really gets deep into the skin and removes all the dead skin cells. It removes all the products on that are lying on your skin. So now this is my favorite. One thing that I observed is because it is very, very textured, if you don't take care, you might end up bruising your skin. You know, the exfoliation product is already grainy, so if you don't take care, plus using this is going to ruin your skin. You see the mark on my neck. I was just scrubbing my body and I just felt a burning sensation. I looked in the mirror and I had a mark there. So please do take care when you are using the exfoliation gloves. If you have a sensitive skin like mine, you can also use it as an alternative for sponge. In Africa, we use sponges to bath. So if you have sensitive skin and you are irritated by sponge, then this can be an alternative. I remember when I traveled, this is what I sent. I didn't send any sponge and it did the work just for me like that. And I felt clean. I felt, well bathed, I mean, if I should say. So that is what I would say about exfoliation gloves. Let me know if you have used this before and what your experience have been. Thank you for watching. Bye.